I did take a IWM lotto here. So we just did 120% on those IWM calls in like seconds. Today we'll be trading 0DTE options on SPY, IWM, Tesla, and QQQ. Those are the three indexes and one stock that we'll be looking at throughout the day here to trade 0DTE options. So on my chart here, I'm gonna have my key levels set. These are levels where price does react at. So on each of these charts, our yellow lines will be my call and put entries, and then my blue lines will be where I either take profits or keep my stop loss. So let me show you a quick little montage of me putting on the key levels for the day. So we're going to start with IWM here. We're going to have calls at 299.47, puts at 296.77. Then we're going to have our SPY calls at 740 and 79, puts at 736.36. Then we're going to have QQQ calls at 228.57, then puts at 221.38. Tesla, we're going to have calls at 379.50. Then for our put side, we're going to have two levels, one for aggressive puts and one for safer puts. So aggressive puts are at 373.18. and then safer puts are at 370 and 45. So these are my levels for the day, and market opens in about 5 minutes. So once that opens, we'll be looking at those levels throughout the trading day, usually until about 11 a.m. Market is open. We are ready to rumble. So let me open my screen here so you can see everything that's in front of me. So I did take a IWM lotto here. So very small gamble. If it goes to 0, I really don't care. We're currently up 33% on this. Those IWM calls are up 85% instantly. So we just did 120% on those IWM calls in like seconds. Here, if you want a visual, that's about what we did. With 0DT calls, 100% right there. Okay, so now we want to look for something else here. SPY's getting close. QQQ is getting close. So what I'm going to have is have SPY opened up here on my monitor on the left side of the screen. And then I'm going to have QQQ on my phone here. Now we wait. It's the first candle though. Tricky. Volume's pushing QQQ down a bit. You want to see if volume picks up. Just going off of how the candle moving, I would have already entered by now. Okay, so we did miss this entry right here, our SPY. Okay, so we're in Tesla puts right now. It broke our key level here. This will move very quick though. So I gotta be careful. I really do have to be careful. So it did just stop us out. I'm done trading for the day, so that means we can go over what truly happened today. Now, at the market open, I took IWM calls, a very small position, and closed it off at a 120% gain. After that, we waited for puts to show up, and missed the SPY and QQQ entry for our puts that were up 300%. So we ended up taking Tesla puts, but Tesla was not moving like indexes, and it stopped us out pretty fast, which erased our profit from IDBM at the market open. So we were at break even. So we did end the day down, but that's on me. The mistakes I made were not going heavy enough on the market open play, which honestly I don't really mind because it was market open, so very unpredictable. I could have added a couple contracts though. The real mistake I did was then chasing other moves because I missed the SPY and QQQ entry. Our real move today that we saw were the SPY puts and the QQQ puts that went up about 200 to 300%. What I did wrong was when missing those entries, I got kind of frustrated and I was just trying to find puts to enter. Ended up costing me some profit there. Overall today, not the greatest trading day, but we're still green on the week. So yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.